You asked for the perfect fashion and beauty looks for the holidays, and we're here to deliver style in spades. Here's our roundup of the top 10 holiday party looks to get you through the season looking chic, chic, chic. Kicking off the countdown is a bronze smoky eye inspired by the sisters Olsen. The subtle shimmer pairs perfectly with holiday sparkles.
Start with a bronze shadow and apply it all over your lid. I then use a shimmery gold eyeshadow to blend the bronze in with the rest of my eye.
At number 9, style setter Leandra Medine gives us the ideal solution to the midweek dinner party. Over-the-knee boots and creamy layers.
I'm going to want to wear them with skirts that hit like the shin so that they come over the boots, and then maybe with a sweater that is the same color as the skirt, so I'll do a little monochrome.
Looking for a little drama this holiday season? Take a page from Rihanna with number 8 and go for a deep burgundy lip.
I like to blot the lips and then apply another coat to really give it some staying power. I love this look because girls of every skin shade can rock this look.
Number 7. If you're meeting the parents this holiday season, go for something soft and classic like Angelina Jolie's smoky cat eye.
You want to concentrate most of the product on the outer corner. I apply in layers. I like to go back and forth, slowly perfecting it.
Seeing old friends and want to prove your sartorial prowess? Do it like Leandra Medine and opt for a chic short suit.
I tend to veer toward very elegant shorts. I want to walk into a room and feel like I will not run into anyone that has thought to do what I did.
At number 5, for your office holiday party, we recommend channeling the classics, like Marilyn Monroe's winged liner.
So you want to take a matte brown. We're going to use this to get the general shape before we draw the black cat eye on top. Once the look is done, it's really just going to look like a black cat eye, but it's a little easier to get the shape down and it'll give it a lot of staying power.
Number 4, looking for a New Year's Eve outfit that sets the pace for the year ahead? Look no further than a little grunge gone glam.
This look works best if you start with a very basic foundation, so figure leather pants and a white t-shirt, pair of pumps or ballet slippers. You know you've done it when you look in a mirror and think, what the heck?
At number 3, leave a lasting impression under the mistletoe with Brigitte Bardot's sexy smoky eye.
You can see that after I apply this, when I open my eye, the whole lid is covered with dark shadow and liner. That really is a signature part of the Brigitte Bardot eye.
Number 2, if you have a more formal occasion, don't fret. We love mixing it up with denim after dark.
Recently I found that when you pair a denim jacket buttoned all the way to its collar with a highly elegant maxi skirt or gown skirt, you've got yourself a really nice and appropriate evening look.
And finally, whether you're running to an after-work event or simply looking to brighten up the winter blues, you can never go wrong with the classic red lip.
I'm choosing a really bright cherry red lipstick. It's really creamy and it's really going to give that fun, iconic Marilyn lip.
Do you feel inspired? Did you like these holiday party looks? Then be sure to share them with a friend and check out these full beauty and styling tutorials at video.style.com. Happy holidays!